back to the channel. Thank you guys for riding out with me. This has been one hell of a journey with the IS300. So now that we have everything put in, all that's missing is just to pretty much put back the caliper and the rotor and the caliper. But I did remember that when I was braking, the car was pulling to the right. So I knew my caliper was sticking. It had to be, because I already got an alignment, and it would only happen when I brake and it will pull to the right. So my theory was that my passenger brake is grabbing, but my driver isn't. So in the midst of all that, I found out the problem. So I'm gonna show you guys what happened. Hey guys, so we're back again today. It's Friday now. I believe it's 2 days after I got the caliper kind of repaired, in a sense. They took out the slide pin that was locked in. After that, I noticed that the boot was ripped, so I got replacements, which I was gonna get anyways, but I ordered those. Those just came in. Let me show you those real quick. So these were the boots that were for my car. Hopefully I'm not wrong and the internet didn't steer me wrong, but this is it. Let's see. So these are it. Here's how they come. It was about, never mind, I'm not gonna say the price because I don't remember. But yeah. Hey you guys, welcome back. So today is like, I don't know, I lost count of what day it is, but I'm back at it again today. And I actually just did something. So I was having issues with the caliper slide pin boot. First, the slide pin was stuck. I got it taken out by a local shop. They put it back in. However, I guess in the midst of them taking out the slide pin boot, they kind of cut the boot of it. So I'm gonna show you guys right now what I mean by that. Yeah. So yeah, you see that? That's how it was. So I kind of ripped it off from the I've been trying to remove it from here, and I ripped this out because I wasn't able to take it out. So let me try to explain everything in a correct way. So I ordered new ones, right? Because I already knew I needed these. They came in like this. So in the midst of me taking this out, I'm just like, there's something wrong because it doesn't look like that. So led me to believe that there was a metal piece here, which looked like it was a part of it because it did not look silver. It looked like it was a part of the caliper, to be honest. Let me see if I find it. Oh, it was right here. So this was there, and that's how it looked. So it blended in, right? Real quick, I cleaned it up to see if that was the metal piece there. So I saw it, as you can see now, it's kind of silver. I had an idea to get the flathead. I took the flathead. I'll show you what I did. So this was on pretty tight to the point where it wasn't noticeable. So right now it's open, but I put this here and I hit it with a hammer and a couple times and it came off finally. I was pretty much breaking my head this entire week for this, so now it's able to go on. So the next step is to kind of hammer it in, which I gotta figure out if I can find a socket that goes in there like so, where I can kind of bang it and it will, you know, lock in.
Nigga, you was not a guess. Nigga, you not family, nigga, you was just a guess. I don't even hear that my pills is just not pressed. Again. Hey, hey. Savant, East Saint Laurent. Wake up every morning and I'm doing what I want. Brand new Murray shirt, can't you see the font? Brand new Dior's and it came across the palm. Knots in my pockets and it's looking like croissants. When I was out in Cleveland, I was feeling like LeBron. And her ass so fat, you could see it from the front. Then that ass so fat, you could see it from the front. Hey. Savant, East Saint Laurent. Wake up every morning and I'm doing what I want. Brand new Mary shirt, can't you see the font? Brand new Dior.
There it is. It's all done. We're all set. Lines in. Everything's already sealed, stuck, tightened. You name it. We're good to go. Yeah. So these are how they look. I painted the spindles. They were black. Painted them to try to make it look, give it a cleaner look. I wanted to paint the calipers, but honestly, I just got tired. I might do them. Who knows? But yeah, car is ready. There's a glimpse of the other side, also ready. Thanks a lot, guys, for sticking with me throughout this whole process. It's been a while. I probably think it's been over a month, and for just doing the spindles part and allocating everything.